It's true that I do get sent a lot of product for free and I use it and try it out and stuff, but I do buy a ton. Like it's a sickness, honestly. And so look what I did today. And it was so pretty that I set it up. Okay, so you know that brand Live Tinted? They did send me a PR package and I did a little reel with it. I liked their products so much that I wanted to try more. So like I went and bought a bunch of stuff. Then when I was at Ulta, this brand popped out to me, Ella Luz or something. Anyways, I think it's from Brazil. And so I got that and some more brow things. This is like a pretty palette. Anyways, oh, this bronzer looks really great. I'm going to someone's house for dinner tonight, so that's the right time to try new makeup. I'm probably gonna look like a crazy person. Okay, I'm gonna try out this Kapari Face SPF 30. It's called a Soft Glow. Also, my face is still tender from the Sculptra yesterday. It's probably still a little swollen too, but really no bruising. It's kind of amazing. Okay, this kind of has like a nice like oil feel to it. Next is this Live Tinted Under Eye Brightener. I don't know. Oh. What am I doing? I don't know. I really actually don't like applicators like this because I don't understand what I'm supposed to be doing with them. But I guess we'll just like lay it down and then maybe we'd pat it in. I don't know. Did that make it any brighter? Actually, this is good for my Sculptra massage right now because I had it placed in my tear troughs. I know. You really need a really good doctor for that. Next, let's try this Ella Luz brands. They have a Sunriser Illuminating Face Primer. Let's see what this is like. I see like a gold shimmer. Ooh. I think that's pretty. Ooh, I like that. There's like a... Actually, did that under eye brightener actually do something? I feel like it is brighter. Okay, I'm liking this. All right, I'm torn because I did get two new like face BB kind of creams. So this is the Tula, and it's the Radiant Skin Brightening Serum Skin Tint Sunscreen. And then there's this Tarte that was like at the checkout, and so of course I was like, ooh, what's that? And this is like, it's a I feel like this is gonna be much thicker than this one. And I'm like really interested in seeing how this works. So maybe we'll do this one. Here's the Tarte. I'm not really sure how much to use. And we'll do it with a brush. See what it goes on. Oh, I hope I'm the worst at picking colors for myself. I just read what they write and I'm like, okay, that sounds like me. But I don't know. This is like, what color did I get? I should have known better. This is light neutral. I am light neutral. What? This is like... This is really dark. Well, maybe I'll just thin it out, I guess. I mean, I'm not saying it's a bad color. It just is obviously a lot darker than, like, I would have to really go down my neck with this. Actually, it's really pretty. So basically that amount, I just spread it everywhere and I took it down my neck to kind of like make it look consistent. But I think the sheen on it, it's really pretty. It's supposed to have that, what is it? Maracuja juicy glow, like some kind of hydrating property in it or something. Man, I need my bottle of water. Got out a beauty blender just to kind of stamp it in because although I do like kind of spreading out skin tints like this with the makeup brush, I don't like the strokes that sometimes it can leave behind. And this helps pick up extra product and helps thin it down a little bit for me, which I prefer to. I think it is a good thing. Next is the Ella Luz. I think it's a bronzer stick. Hopefully I don't go bad with this. It's really orange for me. I mean, I know bronze isn't like contour and I basically treat it like it is. Let's do it in our eyes. I don't know. Okay, we'll just like, maybe we'll use our sponge to blend it in. I hope this isn't looking like an Oompa Loompa. I can't tell kind of how orange it is. All right, let's add some more bronze on now. Oh, actually, I have this this like champagne-y highlighter. Live tinted. Okay. So that looks pretty. Use our makeup brush with that. Ooh, that is pretty. That has like a really pretty glow to it, right? Put it on the end of our nose too. And we should put it in our eye socket. I think that's pretty. And I did get this Natasha Denona concealer. This came from a Sephora order that arrived today. So like maybe we just do a little bit there and see how that blends out. Oh, I think that's really pretty. That formula is actually, that's really nice. In this palette from Ella Loose, there's this blush. So I thought we would try that on. Let's see, it's like the pink one. Oh, it has a lot. But that is a pretty shade. See, this is where I start to make myself look like a clown before I go somewhere. I think also let's use this brown in it. Our eyes. So let's see. Yeah, that will work nicely. And then I'll probably use this like shimmery one in the middle and then this super bright one in the center. So I just finished this eye. And one of the things that I wanted to point out is when I do the inner corner with like a shimmer like this, I use my finger in particular because you're able to get it to pack in and like have a better payoff than if you use a brush. The brush doesn't give you that same like lay down, like the adherence, like your finger, those oils help basically stick it in there. A Live Tinted, I think eyeliner. I think it is. I almost wasn't gonna be able to use this. I could not get this cap off. It was crazy. I don't know what's going on. If it was like some glue or something was attached. I had to use my teeth and like pry it off. But luckily we got it off. Okay, maybe it's an eyebrow pencil because this is like really thick. I don't know what it is. I should have looked at the package. Hue liner, brown. Okay, I don't. Maybe it's also an eyeliner and a brow thing. We can make that work. I know that looks really intense. Let me fix it. Okay, I got a spoolie, so we can just like kind of get that color in there and worked into our brows. And then I'll use a brow gel to set it, kind of clean it up. I got some new Benefit things. In fact, I got this Benefit. Has anybody used this? Duo pencil. It's like you get, I think one side's a shimmer and one side's a matte, but you can use it to like help clean up your brow, you know, like kind of like line it out a little bit and then just like work it in. Anyways, I'm excited to play with this new one. Okay, now this is the Gimme Brow, and I think I have it in like medium brown or something. So after I worked that brow pencil in, which I believe was a brow pencil, I don't know, it worked. Then you can just like use this gel to just like give your brows like some more definition. And this stuff's great. I love its little wand. It's so much easier to use than some of those other brow gels. Next is the Live Tinted bronzer. I thought it was like so pretty how it was ombre and wanted to try it. So, I don't know. Oh! Okay, that's really pigmented, obviously. Oh no. See? Look what I did. I hate myself right now. All right, if we're gonna be orange, we're gonna be orange. We're going for it. So I got this lip color called Balance from, this is Live Tinted. So it's a cheek and lips. So it's kind of like almost like a bricky orange red color. So I just like am rubbing this into my lips. Yeah, I think it's pretty. This was weird. So this is like, I think a lip tint. It's like matte, but I bought I think an eyeliner or a brow thing from them, but this was what was in the box. So I was like, wait, this isn't even what I bought. So I don't know if they had like a fulfillment issue, but this is kind of what that color looks like. So then I was like, yeah, I should put it there. But now I feel like it's going really dark and probably not my best look. So I just finished. I just put some curl in my hair and then pinned it back because I couldn't make sense of what was going on. And I would say my eye makeup is a tad much, but I mean, I think it's pretty. It's just, I don't usually do this much makeup and sometimes I feel a little awkward about it, but I think it's good.